All right, how you doing today? Today we're taking a look at Telos Vocals, brand new vocal plugin here by Black Salt Audio. They're also having a 40% off sale. You can get it for $59 at the time of making this video. So today we'll just do a quick look over some of the features here. We'll play some demo sounds and then I'll go over the features. Check out my playlist of must-try vocal plugins. This is definitely in there. This one's very simple to use, very straightforward. This one doesn't have any delays or reverbs or pitch correction in it. It's just basically compression, EQ, getting your vocals to sound really good, really fast. And then you could throw your reverbs and delays on a bus channel. So let's check out some sounds. So here's one of the presets right now on the vocal before.
No more twisting all my words, no more pushing me down.
And then turn it on.
No more twisting all my words, no more pushing me down. No more stirring up emotions, no more meltdowns. No more saying that you want to when you know it's a lie. No more questioning my answers, no more wondering why.
And then some of the presets here, we got like female prog rock. Let's do female pop rock.
No more twisting all my words, no more pushing me down. No more stirring up emotions, no more meltdowns. No more saying that you want to.
Check out some lo-fi vocal settings.
No more twisting all my words, no more pushing me down. No more stirring up emotions, no more meltdowns. No more saying.
You can double click on these two, go back to their default settings. And let's just start from scratch. We'll start off with some compression.
No more twisting all my words, no more pushing me down. No more stirring up emotions, no more meltdowns. No more saying that you want to when you know it's a lie. No more questioning my answers, no more wondering why. No more twisting all my words, no more pushing me down. No more stirring up emotions, no more meltdowns. No more saying that you want to when you know it's a lie. No more questioning my answers, no more wondering why. No more twisting all my words, no more pushing me down. No more stirring up emotions, no more meltdowns. No more saying that you want to when you know it's a lie. No more questioning my answers, no more wondering why.
So over here, we have our presets. We have our input. Then over here, we have our high and low cut filters to quickly clean up unwanted sub rumble or fizzy top end. And then up here, we have our EQ. We have the low, which you can shape the low end of your vocals to remove muddiness or add warmth. Perfect for controlling proximity effect or giving your vocals a full, richer foundation. And we have a frequency here, shelf and peak setting. And then we have the mid to tame that boxiness or make your vocals soar above the mix without sounding hollow or harsh. And then we have the high end here. We have three settings for that. Top is going to be your high end boost that gives you right blend of energy and air. Presence, which brings your vocals forward in the mix with more edge and detail. And then air, which adds sparkle and openness for airy, polished vocals without harshness. And then we have a one knob de-esser here for controlling the harsh S and T sounds without dulling your vocals, keeping the vocals natural, clear, and easy to listen to. There's a little meter here that will show you what's being subtracted, if you will. And then we have control, which is first stage of compression that smooths out uneven dynamics, balancing soft and loud parts. And then we have push, which is your second compressor with two different settings as well. Smooth gives you a classic pro vocal sound, controlled but not too intense. And then we have Allegra mode, which adds more punch and intensity, perfect for high-end energy lead vocals or performances that need extra oomph. And then we have saturation over here as well. We have three saturation modes. Smooth is going to add subtle warmth and character to take up more space in the mix. Rich enhances the low frequencies for a fuller, fatter sound. Regular adds bold saturation that gives your vocals grit and edge, ideal for heavy productions. Then we have our output, and then we have a limiter and oversampling over here as well. All right, so there you go. Let me know what you think. Leave some comments down below. Check out my other videos floating around the screen here. I have hundreds of videos on my back catalog. That is all for now. I will talk to you soon.